Answer na no ye behwe figures bi na mintia akoso asapon kuma ya wo despite group of companies we near na no pa bia o check me ya na etisen honorable princess ya na pay ya maache ya jo so de mu otene uhwemu a Priscilla say me wish happy birthday emfa ma niece Belinda Erabna Adoko happy birthday enkoma papa Priscilla Nana Forte was on a pay yen chow. Yanko figure see kakra. Na fe yani Juliet in Casaho. And ye call Juliet Asante ho. Or see today is my birthday. Solomon is see do happy birthday, Star Life and or Yanko Juliet. Juliet Martin.
Just no.
Oh, Namia Sham, Papa, also.
Nyamia dopa, but your bommy full name why?
Ayo, Juliet Asante, and I'm anymore.
Juliet Asante.
And you didn't know Nam and near essay. Juliet Asante,
me pa.
That's a pa, Miss Medina for no fear near the by the Adepa. My name is Juliet, you're by, would you say I know, dear Dickay?
Yare no wo papa. Me say dia ye hu wo wiase munina even Ghana ha kra che say yare no wo say wudi hu agra e be ye o say e wo papa te so obi a de na adwen to so say e wo ho say e ba nso e wo ho
Yo ye na ntia say mo kam ho abomu a mo koye dwumade bie boy mu e de ade.
Well, me started, on say creative sector, and a voice, ye kasan krofutie. Me myself, no, I'm the executive secretary of the National Film Authority. So nimsa. I feel so no, me actress and I can me a producer, me a director, me a writer. My year Juma over 27 years.
Exactly.
And se bibi say ba me nuanom madam fonom ne ade ye nyina ye wo ho ye betumi aboa bebre. Ti ye nyina ye bomu e frefre obia ne ye nyina ye bomu ne ye bisa ye ho se de ne ye betumi aye. Na ye hwe bebi bebre wo ho a ebia emoa nko ho ya ye betumi aboa. But I didn't also say, your friend concerned citizens, your friend COVID-19 Citizens Coalition. But the back so when say obia because who so obia ma bibi. But so we we need sika kesia. Obeka so adi de pursue me then am contributing. Enti ye share ye no. Ye ka say ye fa ye ho bom ne frɛ Ghana phone na obia ma de obetumi ama. So obetumi ama kesia. Ube makesi se untumi makesi na obetumi ama 5 cedis pe a obia wo ho a obetumi ama 5 cedis obetumi ama 5 cedis ana more de ye no ene ye boaboa ye ho na nyame aboa ye se na me ne wo kasa no ya bro over 12,000 Ghana cedis aya raise yes ye de so ye kwakọ intervene where we can because ye won kwafo be echi
Sikana majide no enye actors actresses nkwa na say in that industry you find yourself nkwa na botumi aboa na makasa iskana bomu
Mpacho Debbie say me ankasa mpo me actress nkwa enti Debbie entisa creative sector but since then no cry ya expanding your friend is saying chiefs are bem media people are bem politicians are bem obia bemubi apart from that no and no body friend is saying aggregating edi bibia boom but Ghana phone na to me contributing to say okọ Facebook say na wo hwehwe ya we should share COVID-19 friend is Citizens Coalition ye wo ho obia to me ma once a wikita friend is MTN wikita Vodafone and now wikita Tigo no wutumi ma in fact yenni is ankrofo ni na boom MTN Vodafone Tigo edi abom ama number ba ko pe 2019 nti se okọ phone so na wo kasa wo pese wo di sika check wo pese wo donate and now pese wo pay wo transfer bibia na wo go through the steps na wo put in merchant number 2019 na wo be say beba ye ho a ye boaboa no ne ye di abo obia nti wo tu fie wo be kasa obi sorry wo be say wakoma 10 million, 100 million, sign your money now. Who will be? And so, what per se, one so Usika compa, what per se, what chess, one so bet to me a contributing. It is idea will be a bit to me a contribute.
Okay, so let me ask, in what way are you going to scan command for a and I say, how are we using the money? Now, why am I a Ghana for the mamo, say more from what a coronavirus? Because I know, say, I buy at a fund. And Obu I buy fund, no, how Uncle for a difference for honor. Said the Canada, for $40 near the equity, who the main 5 cents in the 10 cents. Who could now be a crowd on budget, but as of fans, to person any idea. So, how are you most canon with this kind of command for and how are you going about it?
Okay, so first of all, I make a group now you're back together. In fact, your doors so pass. I say your body, into your doors. So say you be do over 40. Yeah, networks na boom. It is good networks no ho. And ya boom ya call out everybody on their social media pages. My friend from Madam for my friend from Ebusian for my call social media pages. Missy Momo no bia masa no bia ye. Any na sikana be boom. Inti no ye sha ye chicha no ye see a be 60 cedis per person. Enti ya hwe ya kodwa so ne ya hwe se na ye betumi anyama ebekọ 60 cedis ne mu ye hwe 60 cedis bia ye betumi ama omo ye betumi ama yam nti obi ebenye omo kakra yam kakra oil kakra tin tomatoes kakra sanitizer gari sugar. These are the main things nti we betumi afa no friend is citizen coalition pack yam pack no nyama egumu no. And now each item be cost 60 cedis. Into say ye ba won chen a ye hwe nkofa emwa nhye da nko wo mon chen nti ye hwe teachers say a wo mon to me ye wo mon registration a ye posti won a wo mo wo ho comedy won nti won say ye pese ye hwe won ye pese ye hwe creative sector so nkofo bebre wo ho a won adiwe achichi womu bebre omu hu de omu ye omu ho won so na de bia any media for creative sector any media for ye ne ye ba online say kra adiwe koso wo ti office na wo ye adwuma obi ti fie go to the office. Until some people, go do this all their lives, but ebe do baby no or entertaining munina or bringing value, ebe do baby none of any creative artists for media for teachers for this uncle for na ye ni shada uncle mon chen so no wo mo bre bebre no enum ne ebe hwe wan wo mu hia mo apa
aduma we ya aduma ketwa because those people you are talking about are scattered into mu here then how do you identify them?
Intino ye use social media to aggregate the money. Yes, you'll be on first camera. No, soon ye be use social media. Intino send American or Facebook page or COVID-19 Citizens Coalition. Kwana register as a member. Ye be put it call out. Obiansu on the page, but the better the page so say go to our page. Say wo share na wo show na bibia send us your information and your direction. Yene aban se na ye start ye ka say ye effort enye ye yankasa na ye gina ye ho so ye de support aban edwumadi a o ye aban edwuma papa o ye de support e no ye ntumi ya ahe bia ye de support keke enti no ye nya clearance crampo for cyber security officer said ye papa ni ye and I think so no you see you better tap into government logistics into permit to move around and all of that. Yeah, more be abonti mbehia because I say wotina wo fie into you better designate obi into say you hu baby a wo a ye ba ne ya drop wo opon ano ne ye kosa na ya hihye ye hu say ye ba ye gusu hihye ye hu ye gusu hihye permit ne bibia ye yes anyoma ne na ewia ne ya start make call ne ya start enti obi abenya a package, a coalition package, dear woman. No.
Yeah, Mammy Missa. Ghana for the Ebu Hana, Ukraine for 194. And if for the womb. Well, come in the local hours to come to me. It's also what I said, and the no, what will be for Papa Diaboso. How do you identify these people as in more ensure said or more Casa Hotel? Any idea, and passing hotel and answer the amount.
So yen so ye wo yen intelligence mechanism ye be bisa questions be ye be ya set up a committee a ehwe sa anyoma we nti no so na me kan ye no ye dɔɔso ne ya bom se me bubo din a kakrampo a Ajete Anan Bill Asamoah Peter Sedufia Francis Brown Kafri Danku DKB ye dɔɔso bebree Sally or making sa arrangements be mu aha or ka ho bebree na ye ka ho ye friend is saying nti ya set up committees bebree nti no committee bi wɔ hɔ a ehwe sa nyoma ni mu nti se wo send wo we say o me hia amwa ye be bisa won sem kakra ne ade ne ya hwe bebi a wote ye bisa sasam ansa na ye dia bro because say na ma me use platform nso nka say aje we no emwa no enko obi a nchen ebinom wo hɔ a wo mo ho chi wo mo papa nti se wo wo hɔ na wo ho nche wo saa membeji saa ye friend is saying coalition package ya nke betumi akọ obi hɔ a saa aduane we betumi afidi obi ade ya extension another week ye nim class another extension beba saa package ye de bro obi a ebetumi edi no the whole week nti mendi nipa na abro nti se wo wɔ hɔ na wo ho nche wo saa membe ha ya adwen na membe waste time because one wo mu hie aduane ne de wo mu wɔ hɔ ne yemfa ndu wo mo fie wo yemfa ndu wo mo hɔ
ya meto ase ya na se mugu so ya mo boaboa mo ho ba munya enya start encheche ne yema no because mugu so hwe kwan se mbenya ho nkrata ne bibia betimi support na adwuma na ye no atumi esipie nyata
sa pepe one say ye set target ye start ye set target say by next weekend ye twem ye bedu 10,000 ye be raise 10,000 because na make an ye we no ye obi teku ni 5 cedis 10 cedis 100 cedis na abubo mu nti say wo hwe sa sika ya raise crowd to go say crofo bebre na donate papa ma me use the platform we so na me down amount for us one obi wo ho ne ho chi no no aka so hye da ni bebre so no wo betu ni toku ni kotokum no aka so monje 5 cedis ana monje 10 cedis na monfa ye until last weekend ya na ye do 10,000 ye do 10,000 ye ni age say ye do 10,000 ye hwa na donations no go suba yes ya ni ye do 12,000 ye gusu kwa ye gusu bisa nti no yes and ye ka so okay say ye target ye 10,000 ti ye ngina na ye hihye na ye start say ye nchiche nti afa na ya yes anyoma ni na nti this week ya in fact me ne wo ka say between enumerate and ochna na ya start ag applications na ya start chiche nti ye wa ye start ya no by be course the whole week
me say as a Ghana for no yenti ase wo yare nti na me say so didi say wo ala as ebi ni papa but we look up to some of you people as and I'm not saying say bia my obi a yehwe mo yesre ye mbeka ye ditu ampa ene ade apart from some mo kwakoboa no how are you helping your small way as mo crofo no mo boa ama o mo etemo mpote mo ate asese jack tinafie yes tinafie megina pona no yes tinafie ahyedem wakwa no kitchen one na mu a hall na one na mu a bia wo wankasa ofie nim ho ba bia utasa nim ho kra de wo mpie nkogina ne ade. How are we letting the people know say chalade na ho na me maye Juliet Asante Asante ya mahwe me so many years a opem asem no me catch no me karobo kasa mu a obeti ase am ho set na fie ebeboa wankasa aboa foforo how are you helping in that way?
So question I will be say who here and it's part of why ye boom. I mean if you take one or boom as the core people, creative people, media people, politicians, any your friend is saying academia, any sa nyoma we nana di boom as for we be brave or respect our society. At the very least your fans. Well, ye kasa nkrofutie ye obi beka ye leaders in many ways. Inti we nso ye leadership you know everyone who's come together in this group is showing Inti within that no nyama ye say ye no apart from say ye boabo man for education kan ho. Inti me say my me small video na me dey ato me social media page so obia ya encourage you obia but afempo ne ye ba be eye ne bebre ya encourage you obia de bia as part of what we are doing, not only say ye gi sika ne ye dey aboabo ankofo ye educate as well. In fact, mami take your opportunity na me nka say even at the National Film Authority, cry a video HSS stay home and discover Ghana later. Me why am boss a video? Me who say mo boss a video no. HSS stay inside Ghana no Ghana ye fair. Nyama bebre wo kwa. In fact, ube who how feel say wunim Ghana. What na Ghana whole life? What na nungwa your whole life? What na Awoshi your whole life? What na Cape Coast your whole life? Ube who say wunim Ghana. Who pentema kwa abrochi akwasha abrochi ba Ghana na nkasampo wunim Ghana. Amanfo so tu kwanye fi wiase abehwe bebi a wo no. Na wan kasa bebi a wo no kra wunim. Minti Ghana is a beautiful place. We have beautiful stories into ye kase. Let's stay home. Let's stay home. Now later, yetumi a discover Ghana. Na yanka say you musa ade a yekuta no. Obi beka we wo ma hondi wo. Na ye ni agye so nti education is a key part of what every coalition member, a COVID citizen, coalition member is also undertaking on our separate individual pages, and also yemu bi wo media mu. Inti media no so to say we say ubetumi I say me a member. No, I register or your page. So now I start Uber sending with donation. Uber my wadan for home. Now also I shoot short video. Now there are 2 pages. So that is how I spread the education on and on in our own little, not so little ways.
As for a big ways, Parla, Modebois, Sansa, man for hotel. Now, Miss Shaw, and then I see you doing a lot of some of these things, trying to let Ghana go out there and if you don't contain it Mwadumani ho enti eye ne adwuma pa ya mode atom ho so ma me eye Juliet ya Santoa Asante obi a o ka ho bia no da wo masema ya me sharpa
and that's your mood so inti ma me use the platform when so nda obi ase because obi a de ho ahye mu pa enya grow ye nyina ye say this is the time so wuti fie na wan ye hwe wo ho na every time you come to the people and you say listen to me a friend is saying in the way wo ton ho man crofo say you know this is your craft we a leader now at this time one step forward and show leadership now we leadership na nkasa na questionable until we are encouraging everyone to join this coalition. Everyone, if you are a Ghanaian, please go to our Facebook page and join the coalition, contribute, at the very least, share and talk about what we are doing. If you are a creative person, if you are a media person, if you are an academician, if you are whatever you are, now if you say we were constituency, now if you say we were impact, come and join us and help us to bring everybody on board to hear what we are saying. Says stay home na yari we yari a ebetumi acho anyway busuanfo bi wa America wipe omu nyina out from the father to the grandfather to the children. You don't want that to happen to you. Enti ye nyina ye educate na ye mboa ye ho nso.
It has about on Crawford as the actors, the actresses Jackie Apia Monet, Von Nelson Monet Domelo Monet no anyame adom yetumi omo kasa they should avail themselves na obetimi aboa ne yeso ebetimi because what we can also do is to reach out to them what they are putting there on social media and we want to put it on our network na amanfo enrich further outside of social media nti na
and no na waka no obia mbeboa ye nyina this is the time dia wo be ko social media so akoye fan e wo mu betumi akọ social media so akọji we ni na ye okay but most importantly ye can first things first ye mbu ayama for ye educate ye nye de betumi aye se wo wie no kra na wo san akọjina na wo ka say mo be hwe me perform ye obia ni beje obia be ka so this is somebody who is responsible. So if you have a voice, use that voice. That's what we are saying. If you have a voice, use that voice to let Ghanaians know, say, listen, this is a time of life and death. Show truly It's up to us, the citizen, to also abide by that and listen and do what we can do to help each other. Because abide to me, but we will next door neighbor, abide no obey them, so accommodate with next door neighbor. What can you do? Yen na yen de ebe to me aye. And say when you be a kasa, when you among kasa, why are there?
Yeah, say papa, say more boy, papa Juliet Asante Asante. And our training can. That's a very positive. And we are all trying in our own small way through our social media handles, Instagram. Fia has over 300,000. I have over 200,000. Maybe Sunday over 300. I mean, so a little that we can do. But we all crowd the control on TSU. Okay, say stay home. Must not say who stay home. I'm saying, hey, maybe essential worker. And just say me benchmark. Mama kwa na ya ho da che na yanko ni ma said ye hunu ye o ring road will be called inspector horse, a sergeant to her. Aqua dia, only mother crocro, actually, or see a diani. Yen has said, so a city among friend Paul, my cameraman, and a pay, me da say. Now sanitizer and fan for Yano, Debbie. What the farm, some fun for one who knew it, Yan Salmon in ye.